Assalamualaikum, how you all have been? Today I am going to show you a simple chicken wrap recipe. So let's get started. First and foremost, dissolve 2 teaspoons of yeast with 2 teaspoons of sugar and water and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Yeast is just to add extra softness to your rotis or tortillas. Yes, you can call it the way you like it. So yeast is optional. You can make the rotis even without it. So sugar is to activate yeast. I guess most of you might know it well. Then in a large bowl add 2 cups whole wheat flour or atta flour and add half cup all-purpose flour. Then add a pinch of salt and mix the dry mixture. Add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil, mix it and add activated yeast to it. Combine it well. Add little water at a time and mix it well. Yes, like that. And once you feel that there's enough water, then you can punch and go hard on the dough. Knead it until it becomes smooth and soft. This is how you do it. Kneading is the only way to get a soft tortillas or bread. So knead it at least for 10 minutes. You can use the kitchen countertop. Knead it. Yes, I did it in this kind of motion, like pulling it in and pushing it forward. Yes, that's a good hand workout. And make sure your dough is not sticky and cover it and leave the dough to rest around 45 minutes. Now let's prepare the chicken. I took around 500 gram boneless chicken, that is 2 chicken breasts, and cut it into cubes. To this add grated ginger garlic, lemon juice, salt, oregano, chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, and toss it to coat each and every piece with the marination. My hands are allergic to ginger garlic paste, so I wore a glove to protect my hand. Yeah, your marination should be a little bit dry and look something like this. If you like, you can let the marination sit for an hour, but it tastes good even without that. Now thread the marinated chicken cubes to the bamboo skewers like this. Usually they soak the skewers in water for at least 30 minutes, but I didn't do that. Then add some olive oil to the pan and grill the chicken skewers each side for at least 5 minutes. Don't overcook the chicken skewers if you need a juicy wrap. Since I am showing a healthier version, I am substituting mayonnaise with avocado spread. Trust me, this is such a delicious and guilt-free spread. Mash your avocado like this and keep aside to use later. Make balls of desired size with the dough and roll it out to the size you need it. I made quite large ones, and don't worry about the shape because it's your tortillas. Go ahead and make the shape you like. Yeah, well, I forgot to mention that if you don't have skewers at home, no problem. Add some oil and stir fry the chicken pieces. You will still get beautifully cooked chicken. Once you're happy with the shape of the tortillas, cook it both sides in medium flame. Make sure that your tortillas are not crispy or it might break or crack while you wrap it. My tortillas are done, so let's assemble. Spread some mashed avocado and go ahead and add all your favorite vegetables. I placed some bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and then I placed my chicken skewer on it. Hold it at the end and pulled out the bamboo skewer. You can use pickled veggies, carrots, spinach, coriander leaves, and whatever you like. And yes, I added some freshy lettuce at the end and rolled it out tightly. Cut it, and now look at that. This one is absolutely delicious. Hope you guys would try the recipe. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up because that really motivates me to do more videos. See you again with another video. Bye.